called Mike's Paint Booth.
Nice.
Yo, what's up? You like the paint booth?
Yeah, man.
Yo,
Really
Econo ain't got nothing on me, bruh.
Nada.
So we're just getting everything coated underneath here, just to make sure that there's no rust or anything like that in the future. You know, it also makes it look a little bit nicer and presentable. The other thing is just going through and just adding seam sealer anywhere that there was like any holes or gaps where moisture can get in. So all this, you know, we stitch welded the top there, welded the entire bottom. So just added some seam sealer to the top so no moisture can get back behind there and cause any kind of rust. And then from there, we're just gonna go ahead and just put a fresh coat of paint over the top of it, just to make sure everything stays fresh and looks nice and presentable.
Nice. All right, cool. Nice and silvery.
So we have the back half of the traction bar on and secured here. Everything's all freshly painted. We just wanted to make sure that there's no rust or anything like that, but it's fully adjustable. We got a left hand Heim joint on one side, a right hand. So as you twist it one way or the other, you're able to pull the wheel forward or back, you know, to make it adjustable and to make it to where we can hold that wheel in place solid. Both sides are done. We're just waiting on the diff mount and the trailing arms to come back from powder coat now, so we should have those in the morning. Once those are in, we'll go ahead and get everything else put together in the back, and we should be good to go.
Nice, man. Looks real solid. Sweet.
Diff mount is up. We got the diff mount in, the trailing arms in, everything came back from powder coat, so just getting it all put together for him. Looking to have everything completed today so that he's able to pick it up and then try to go get some testing done with the car before trailing it out to California. So
powder coat looks nice. Profab?
Yeah, it came out good. Profab did the powder coat for us. We did the mag black.
Profab.
And then mag black on the back portion of the diff mount, and then went ahead and masked all this off to leave the stainless out there.
Stainless out there. Nice, nice. What do you guys think? Chancey Fab is killing the game, Chancey, my youth.
You don't understand a thing, man.
And all silvered up also. Nice.
Yeah, the undercoating, he wanted something to where it was, you know, closer to the OEM look, you know, the color that was under there. So went with a hammered gray so that it matched everything else, and then just, you know, make sure that everything else underneath is all clean and no rust or anything like that.
Look at here, look at here. What's up, Dry? That's good. Good, man.
You guys.
Bro, we got everybody after me. There's a ball out
Jesus,
right now.
tell him to calm down. Tell him to calm down. Join the line.
One side's done, so you can see what the other side's gonna look like.
Mirror that over to the other.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Let's go. I need to go. The other one. This one?
There's two of them.
It's either or.
It's one of the two.
Well, we need to find out which one it is.
It might be the same.
Yeah, actually the same.
Yeah, they're the same.
Well, no, because remember, this size here is what's going to matter.
Yeah, we just gotta clean it and try it out and see what's what.
Did I bring? No, I didn't bring it.
Check it out, guys. The bars are up. Sweet, 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 sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. You like?
Woo! Let's try this one. Well, this one here, will they clear this? That's what I'm...
Yeah, all the way. It's already shimmed out.
Okay, what about this one?
It's a paint. This one actually clears, but this is the one that you should use.
Okay, let me just take it. If I have to, then I have to use...
So, as a matter of fact, no. This is the only one that you could use. This is not being shimmed out yet. You see how the 45 is more aggressive here? That's what that is.
Okay.
But it's the same exact one.
So bring that one. Yeah, just
Don't take that one, because then
you're
going to confuse yourself.
No, I'm going to take both of them because if this is a different cup size, then I can't do...
Yeah,
same
take
way
them
you
both,
have to
just
do.
in case. Take them both.
Spray paint.
Yeah, I just painted those.
Yeah, that's fresh.
You got it front?
Spray paint.
Oh yeah, you see your front bars?
Yes, sir. You know, we can't be giving too much intel, though.
Yeah, dog.
Shit, I want me to delete it?
No, you can delete something that you already put it for.
I know. Dang, man. Who cares, man?
It's all good. It's all
Yeah,
good.
let them go do the same
Because
thing.
you know what's going to happen to that? They're gonna be like, stop it,
Everyone's gonna start doing
screenshot, save that.
Yeah.
Do that.
This is
Yeah, that's good shit.
Ooh, final product. AWOL, final product.
Whoop, whoop. There it is.
There it is, guys. Both axles in. This is a finale.
Do you have all the
Guys, Rudy's putting it up. We're gonna get alignment at TR AUTOWORX tomorrow morning.
So this was the switch up
Look
that
at
we
this.
did.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's a nice switch up.
Streets.
That was a nice trick. Nice trick you guys played to the crowd and to YouTube and stuff like
Right?
that.
And now you got
We have
nice.
to make it look like a, you know, look, we gotta make it all uniform. That's
This
the whole
looks
thing,
nasty.
uniform.
What do you think, Rudy? What do you
Trick,
think?
everybody.
Beautiful, man. Like, beyond expectation, no lie. No
Right,
lie.
you guys like it.
Check it out, guys.
Coming from a fabrication guy, you get me?
Looks nice. So everything looks good, everything clear. Good. So tomorrow, alignment,
Oh, alignment and test.
then test and tune. Tomorrow night, Brenton. Say something to the people.
Have a good night. Bless
it.
everybody.
Right now we're getting ready to take the car over to TR to get it aligned, get everything lined up. Because you know all the suspension that just got done. This thing is looking really, really, really nice. Hobby's here, freshening up some things, putting the handbrake. Rudy is adjusting coilovers. Car just got completed, so just got revamped. There we go.
Got us to A4 with problems, and the problems wasn't the all-wheel drive kit. The problem was other things such as the shift cables were giving me problems, the bracket was breaking on the transmission, stuff like that. So it was little issues that I had along the line. I ended up blowing a motor here and there, and you know, once we got with the right people, we got the car to where it's performing the way it should, and now we're about to prove you guys even better.
Yeah, we want to take it to 7 seconds, so we have to take it to the professionals.
That's it. We just gotta move on up from here and get this car to a way better number, because 8's not good enough for us. I want the top 10 list of the all-wheel drive Hondas, and this Accord will be there.
That's it.
So when we did some of the redesigning on the trailing arms, did you notice anything once you did the redesigning? Did you see anything that you wanted to change or modify that we took care of?
We did. We as far as like the toe and stuff like that, that was it. We wanted to keep the design of the trailing arms because it works with the shocks and all that. We don't want to redesign all that stuff. So the first time we did it, we were waiting for a piece for the Accord to get, and it didn't come in time, so we started making something, and then finally, the day that when we had everything all together, we're like, it came in. What's up, man?
What is that shirt? What is that shit? Huh?
What does that say?
This is my
fucking
transmission sponsor right there, BF Gears.
Don't forget BF
Baddest
Gears, the
transmissions
best.
out right now. They are badass. The big thing gears.
Big fat gears, I'm coming at you. Sponsor me, man.
Got a
Sponsor
lot of
me.
meanings. Got a lot of meanings.
Big first gears.
How you giving information, bro?
You know where we at? TR AUTOWORX. almost there. We're almost there. Almost there. Almost there. David at the control. You see that? Uncle real general have them tools, Uncle the real general have them tools, The real general, The real metal this, no fake thing, Look on it's real deal. No arbor freight thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it, did it, man.
Back with another one, dog.
Another one. He does all the race cars we do. Everything.
I love it.
Everything. I know, right? Every single one. And now he just did Javi's car. You guys already know. World record holder Accord.
I fell asleep like 3 times in there.
Oh, you guys show the track that's the spec to it?
I just need some fresh air.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, that was a fun one.
When you roll down the window?
Yeah, I tried that. I think my regulator left the track.
What track?
I have a Bluetooth regulator and it just didn't want to work.
Working out, baby, it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything.
Now you know how to
All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your.
Let me know, man. Let me know.
You gotta follow it on IG. You got an IG to follow.
Yeah, I sure do.
Yeah.
His IG is do it.
He's like D-A-A-A-W-W-I-I-I-T-T.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, who's
You gotta play
Benz
the
is that?
song though. Oh, that's a customer.
Oh.
Yeah, that's Tony. That's his.
And add drag creations too. That's drag creations right there.
Okay. Let me get this.
In the corner. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, with Chancey.
Right above who?
Chancey.
Fab. Chancey, you in the house. You made it.
Yep, you right. You're right. Well, Tony and Ryan's right above you.
I'm so gone, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so hard, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack, and if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say.
Okay guys, we are back at the shop and guess what? The truck is closed today, so we won't be able to get to test and tune this thing. So maybe in Cali they get a chance to test and tune. So like, subscribe. Javi, track's closed today.
Track's closed. You know, that's a bummer.
But
It's all good.
it happens.
But we got a track right out here. So when we call Jay Marsh,
Yeah.
Jamie gonna dial that thing in and we're gonna do a street hit out here. So.
Right. Get ready for that mug. Get out.
Fun time.
Fun times. Just trying to get it dialed in, that's all. On this bike. Trying to lower my cholesterol. We're taking a break right now. AWOL, having some food
About
to
to
eat.
pass out.
Time to eat, time to grab.
And the grab, this is what we do. Their father took his food, so we're about to eat and charge him in. What are you guys saying?
Nobody talking. Nobody talking because it's fire.
Round two. So we just finished eating some food. Driving around. Eating full.
We have to put you on hold. The hold is
That's one bus, baby. We're just heading back to the shop.
That wheels are always gripping.
Them wheels are never.
Build it, your Honda's built.
It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will and deep, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. All wheel gripping, 4-wheel gripping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping.
Gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah. Warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred. We rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch. B series or a ZC and that LSV tech. Hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips. And ain't no 12 to catch us so. K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF. Go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX. Before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camcorder that's S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. All wheel gripping, 4-wheel gripping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1.